I'm Emil of EMK Architects, and we specialise in residential architecture of all scales. Our style can be described as minimal and refined. We like to use a lot of clean lines in our work and have a holistic approach to contemporary design. Working in residential architecture is highly rewarding because we're able to meet the family and work closely with them through the life of the project. We were lucky enough to actually be involved in this project, which is a new home in Sans Souci, just up the road from where I live. The home has an instant impact upon entry with a beautiful courtyard which sits adjacent to a double height space. This area connects all the rooms within the house, and for me it's really the heart of the home. This is a reoccurring theme in all our designs as we try to open up the house to the outside and connect to our environment beyond. When the client came to us, I instantly felt a connection and a synergy with Nadar, who seemed to share our enthusiasm for contemporary design. We often spoke about what this home needed to be and how it would best serve his family and their needs. In the end, what you see is really a collaboration between an architect and his client, and the outcome is hopefully one which sees the creation of something timeless. That was definitely the brief for this home. The main bedroom was really the other important aspect of this home. There is a high level of finish in the walk-in robe and ensuite. The use of marble stone and natural timber veneers allowed us to achieve a sense of luxury and provide a series of refined spaces. We really wanted to create an impact with these areas, and we're really excited with the final outcome. We collaborated with Joinery Gallery for this project, who provided the joinery fit out in this home. Joinery Gallery were involved with us from the early concept design and provided us with some invaluable design advice as to how we could achieve some of our early ambitious ideas. Their service definitely goes beyond a simple install joiner. They have a proactive approach in assisting architects, and their execution and attention to detail has really helped bring this project to life. I'm definitely looking forward to working with them more and more on future projects and involving them early on in the piece.